we've never seen that. Like biggest film का tag ही नहीं. मतलब लोग organically इतना सारा प्यार दे रहे हैं. What would you like to say to all the eminent journalists here, sir, जो हमें join कर रहे हैं आज और साथ ही across the globe people who are watching this?
We expected the response will be huge as the date is nearing, but this is way above our expectations. The Patna event and wherever we go, Chennai, Cochin, and here, everywhere, it's huge. And we're so happy.
Good evening, everyone. And see, this is really, we never expected this much reception for any film in India, sir. We are very, very proud to be part of this project. And also we are prestigiously releasing this film across the world, more than 12,000 screens. And also releasing in IMAX. This is the maximum, this is the biggest release in IMAX version for any Indian film. And there are lot many, what we call things there, which wherein Pushpa is very special. And we humbly seek your blessings for this film. And thanks a lot for coming to this event, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So we would obviously want you to talk about your director, Saab Sukumar's, you know, the kind of hard work he's put in this movie. What do you have to say, sir?
He is working hard for the past 3 years, and even he is working hard today also. And same with our hero, Allu Arjun Garu. He is the most hard-working hero in the country we have. And we want to thank, we did this in every event, and once again we want to thank Allu Arjun Garu and Sukumar Garu for giving us this huge film. Thank you.
So if you were to talk about the cast, of course.
Yeah, firstly, we need to thank all the media people who are here, sir. Thank you very much for this beautiful coverage. And also, we thank Anil Tadani ji, who is distributing in Hindi as well as in overseas. And also, our best friend and our mentor, Mr. Bhushan ji, who is the chairman of T-Series. He's always a very strong pillar to us. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. And coming to our cast and crew, see, they have done a fabulous job since 3 years. Everyone worked very, very, very hard. And our hero, was a special mention for our Allu Arjun sir and Rashmika madam, who have given their best, and madam worked for more than almost 170, 200 days. That's a very, very big thing. And sir did his best, and he worked very, very hard. And coming to our director, Sukumar sir, he is, he's still working. See, his job is not yet over. And see, he has given the best product, and we are very, very happy with that. And also our DOP, Devi Sri Prasad Gari, has given the best music. Our cameraman, Mr. Kuba, who is from Poland, he has given his best, and he completed his DA, and the work is very, very, it is very good. So, Faghat Fadil sir, he has done a fabulous job. Each and everyone, all the cast and crew, a heartfelt, heartful thanks to each and everyone. Thank you very much, sir.
So one last thing. It's the two of you. Of course, you've joined forces and, you know, given us this and a lot of other movies. मुझे बताइए, आप दोनों में से कौन ज़्यादा पुष्पा की तरह है? Who's like, more like Pushpa out of the two of you? Pushpa Raj. किसके अंदर ज़्यादा पुष्पा राज है?
Pushpa is one and only Allu Arjun sir.
क्या बात है sir, क्या बात है. Thank you so much, sir. One last thing that you'd like to tell all the people who are watching you right now across the globe, sir.
First of all, we want to thank everyone who came for this press meet. And we're releasing Pushpa 2 on December 5th. Please come and watch in theaters, and we need all your support. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And one last thing, sir. We are releasing this film all across the world in around, say, 12,000 plus screens. And every screen, everywhere, we have all the 6 versions through this CineDubs app, and wherein you can watch any language which you like in that particular theater through CineDubs. Yeah. This is one we are introducing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course, how I wish मैं सर से बोलता, सर अगर आप लोग भी वो पुष्पा जैसा, you know, थोड़ा स्टेप करके दिखा सकते.